just hope this food I'm cooking, this girl will eat it. She can be very annoying at times.
Good morning, Ella.
Good morning, Miss Anne.
Miss Anne. It's Ma.
I'm sorry, ma. Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Why is still that? It's past 7 and today is our first day of resumption of school.
I'm sorry. Because I'm still making breakfast, I forgot to wake up. But when I'm done, I'll just quickly wake up.
Oh, God. Matilda!
Oh, Mom, what is it again? Can't you just let me sleep?
Let you sleep. Don't you know you are going to school? You shouldn't be sleeping by this time of the day.
How many times do I have to tell you that I don't want to go to school again?
Of course you are going to school. So you better drag yourself off this bed and go get prepared for school. I have meetings I'm attending this morning. So you better make it quick. I'm waiting for you at the dining.
Oh, she doesn't get it. I don't want to go to school.
Ella.
Ma.
Are you done in the kitchen?
Yes, ma. The breakfast is ready.
Okay, so you can join me. Let's eat.
Thank you, ma. Ma, should I go and call Matilda? Because she's not down yet.
Don't even bother about Matilda. She's still in bed. She's not coming down today. And because I have a very important meeting with some clients in my office, I'm just going to allow her to be a silly girl today. Let her just be there and sleep. Don't bother. When you are done in the kitchen, you eat your food, alright?
Yes, ma.
Don't bother to wake her up. Just leave her there. Don't persuade her about anything. Just allow her to be silly today, alright?
Hey, I said it. Okay, go. Hey, this guy is very funny. It's a lie. Why did you change the channel? Didn't you see that I was watching?
I don't like the movie. I've seen it countless times.
I'm watching it.
Don't worry, it's always on repeat. I'm sure it will be end again someday. No, I want for breakfast. I don't think my mom will be happy to hear that. Make it snappy. I heard you.
I didn't say it for you not to hear.
Please be fast.
Don't understand why you cannot type bread yourself.
I like it when someone does it for me. And please, next time, toast my bread.
If you want to eat toasted bread, then you have to behave yourself and come down on time for breakfast.
And whose rules is that?
Mine.
You've got to be kidding me.
I wish I was. I'm done. So you can enjoy your breakfast and I'll bring the laundry.
What if I want more bread?
More bread? There are like 4 slices here plus this one 5. So you will not be needing any more. Just eat and enjoy.
Whatever.
Why didn't you take them to the laundry before now?
I forgot. Here they are. Wash them.
Look at this rude brat. Hey, come back here. Come back here and pick up these clothes. I don't blame you.
What exactly is wrong with you? Eh? Why don't you want to go to school?
I don't want to go.
You don't want to go. What exactly is the reason? There should be some reason why you don't want to go. Why?
I just don't want to go.
Anyway, since you don't have the reason, right? Tomorrow morning, wake up early and get ready. Take you to school for your registration. And on Monday, you begin school.
Can't someone just choose to be left alone in this country? Why does it seem so hard for everyone to learn how to respect each other's rights?
Matilda, come back here. Matilda. Can I say something? Just shut up, please. Yes, ma'am. What was it you wanted to say?
But ma, you said I should shut up.
Ella, you are an idiot.
Yes, ma. Ma, should I say...
Shut up.
Okay.
Why are you still standing there?
Ma.
Tilda. Oh, beautiful. Oh my God. Thank God today we don't have to fight. Let's go and eat before we leave, alright?
Yes, Mom.
Tilda, I don't know why I'm having a funny feeling. Please, don't go and cause any trouble today, alright?
Mom, I thought we were going down for breakfast.
Yes, of course. Let's go.
I just saw somebody. I'm sure I saw somebody here. I saw somebody. But I just saw. Excuse me, please, where's your school restaurant? Over there. Okay, thank you. Right. How can somebody be so terrible at cooking ordinary noodles? What's this? Ella! Ella!
Yes. What?
You're trying to poison me?
How do you mean?
You didn't even taste it before serving me.
What's the problem?
Come and taste it.
Wait. Is it the food that I prepared that you're calling rubbish?
Go ahead and taste the food.
I will not taste this food because I'm very sure that you already spat the one in your mouth in there so that I will eat it. Look, if you want to eat something else, that's the kitchen. So go and make your own thing yourself. Jesus! Matilda! Hey! Hey! What just happened? Hey! Are my eyes deceiving me? Matilda! shouted, and a glass filled with water just shattered. Maybe I'm just overthinking. But I can't be overthinking now. I saw it. Matilda. Hey.
How did I do that? Or was it an accident? Maybe the glass wanted to break and then I happened to scream. Should I try screaming again? No. It's probably a coincidence.
Good evening, Miss Anne.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
What is it?
Ma, there's something I want to tell you.
I just asked you what is it.
The thing is, I don't really know how to say it, ma.
Okay, Ella, when you really know how to say it or what to say, you can come back, okay?
No, ma. It's...
Ella, just go to your room, right?
But, ma...
Ella, no buts. Just go to your room. Talk to me later when you know exactly what to say. Alright? What could it be? Why is she looking so confused?
You want to eat egg?
Yes.
What kind?
I want to eat scrambled eggs and butter.
Not only scrambled eggs. I'll make Scottish eggs for you. What?
Tilda!
Mom!
Tilda!
Learn to knock.
What I did?
Why didn't you wait for a response before barging in?
Oh, my bad. Sorry, okay? I'm going to the grocery stores. Do you want to come with me or I should buy you some?
No, don't worry. I'll come with you.
Alright then. Dress up and meet me downstairs, okay? Breakfast is not ready. Ella! 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 Why haven't you served breakfast yet?
Just 1 minute, I'm just making the tea.
You know today is Tilda's first day in school. It will not be nice if she's late.
Yes, ma, I know. I'm coming now.
morning, Mom.
Good morning, darling. How was your night?
Fine, thank you. I slept as peaceful as a baby.
That's good. Where is this Ella? Ella! Oh my God. Hurry up and save this food. Sorry. We need to leave here. It's already 6:45.
Easy, Mom. We have more than enough time.
We have more than enough time.
Yeah.
It seems you have forgotten that you are in Nigeria. And in Lagos for that matter. See, Lagos traffic is a legend. This girl, she doesn't know. That's alright, Ella. Thank you.
Any other thing?
No, it's alright. No, that's it. Oh, she really knows how to make this tea.
Hi, I'm Bella.
Oh, I remember.
Why are you here alone?
Nothing. Just felt like nobody wants to talk to me, so I maintained my space.
You know that is not true. Okay, come with me. Let me take you on a tour around the school.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you.
Let's go. Friend. What?
Do you know that Mr. Ola is so funny? Is he a nerd?
Ned? I don't understand.
Overly intellectual, academical, brilliant, but lacks social skills.
You might be right. He is very intelligent. He is obsessed with books. I heard he's not married.
Ew! That's serious. I hope he's not a psychopath.
Psychopath. I know that, but he is not. He is the most brilliant teacher this school has ever had since founded. And he is the oldest teacher too.
So how old is this school?
10 years. He is as old as the school.
Can you imagine?
Let's hurry up.
Oyinda, can you not do that again?
What? Can't I play with you again? Anyways, Mom said that the driver will be a little late today.
Why?
Your mom is not here yet. I believe my driver was on the here.
No, she called that she will be a bit late because her meeting lasted longer than scheduled.
I'll wait for you then.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank you. That guy is always so quiet.
Yes. He is the proprietor's son. He is always alone because though he is very brilliant and tops the school, so the student feels the mother is backing him up somehow. That's his twin sister. Her name is Janelle, but she prefers they call her Onyidamola.
She's not in our class.
No. I heard he was sick during their junior high school and was flown abroad. He came back to Nigeria after a year, so the sister taught him in class.
Ah, okay. Come on, let's go and meet them. Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Senior. Hi, Senior. Ida.
Hi.
Um, who is she? She's a new student. Okay. Welcome to school. My name is Oyindamola Alakija.
I am Matilda Hunter. Oh, I thought that was American.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
We'll be leaving, Senior. Oh, it's okay. Have a nice day. Bye. Why are you looking at her like that?
I wasn't looking at her.
So I'm blind now.
Do I know for you?
Matilda,
Yes, mom.
my baby girl. How was school today?
School was fine.
Sure?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry I came to pick you up late, okay?
It was fine. My friends were there with me, so I didn't feel lonely.
Oh wow, I'm so happy you have blended enough to even have friends.
Yes, but just the one that came into the car with us.
Is it the one you called Bella?
Yes, mom. The other two that waved at me were the proprietress's children.
Okay, I see. So any new gist from school?
New gist. Just
Like,
about what?
any boys chasing my beautiful girl?
Mom, let's go and watch TV.
Any boys talking to my beautiful daughter? Come, Obiola. I'm asking, this black dress you're wearing now and the one you wore before you changed to this one, what is the difference? The blue one you were wearing was okay.
Oremi, you asked me a question and at the same time you answered it.
How?
Yes, you said the other one was real, while this one is black.
Mm-hmm.
Let's just say I'm in the mood for black. So here am I.
And I can see that this one, the cleavage is showing a little bit more.
You can say that again.
Oh, you are so naughty.
So back to our topic. You know, I told you to give Matilda a chance that she will come around, just to give her small time. So have you seen it that you are just worried for nothing?
I'm telling you, Bella. If you see how she's so happy these days, if you had seen us, how we were gisting, laughing, playing, you would have been surprised. I was so happy. Oh.
I'm so happy for you. At least you have to worry less now and concentrate more on yourself.
On myself. As I am now, every other aspect of my life is so superb and okay. It's just only Matilda's problems that give me headache. Every other thing I'm fine. I'm so okay.
Yes, you are right. Except for one thing that is missing.
One thing like what?
You need a man.
A man. That is the least of my problems. I don't even think about a man. I'm so okay.
But you need a man. And you know it. So don't
why
lie to yourself.
Wait. This jollof, it's tasting so nice today. Have you noticed that today's one seems like they put extra ingredients or something?
Oremi, stop deceiving yourself. The jollof rice from here have never tasted anything less. It's still the same. Don't just try to change the topic. I know you. You need a man.
I'm not changing the topic. Forget about the man thing. I'm fine. Bro, I'm very okay. Or maybe next time when I'm coming, after you stopped over at your house to change, we'll stop over at my house to change so that
I can show some little cleavage as
Oh,
well.
Remy Atata, you need a man. Don't change the topic.
Oh my
I
God.
won't allow you.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry. My name is T-Boy. Guess your friends have told you a lot about me.
You don't have a son. What could you possibly be that I should have been told by my friends about you?
Okay, I really like you a lot.
What can you say that you already like about me?
I don't know much, but your confidence and your warm heart.
But I don't like you. I don't like anything about you.
Wow. So, why don't you like me?
You are rude, arrogant, and proud.
It's a Guinea. Who do you think you are? You should be privileged that the finest boy in this school so far is having interest in you. You need to put to hurry. Look over. You see all those girls over there? They are crushing on him. I mean, they are dying. Fana.
Bella, let's go. The air here is polluted.
What? Polluted?
Polluted na. Nwa ukwa gina na o.
Akwa nwa wo ngare.
Ngutori. Chai.
Polluted. I don't want him. Why is it? Let's just keep calm.
Keep calm.
Go and slap her.
T-Boy, I did not like your approach on the matter earlier this afternoon with those SS2 students.
You're right. I don't know if don't get out of the caution. You saw what happened.
Can you guys just stop it? The fact remains that I love that girl. Yes, and I will do whatever it takes for her to fall for me.
Get her lead and come back. If I'm happy, what?
See. Play hard to get is not my business. But my business is that it's only you and walk away.
Listen, I love that girl. But the fact is that she shouldn't have walked out on me. What's that having again?
Matilda.
Let's see.
Hi.
Hey, Oma.
Hey, Oma.
How are you?
Fine. Did you guys see what happened in front of the senior class today? When the new girl walked out on senior T-boy. Yes. Hey.
I saw it. Serves them right.
That girl is in for something big. Let's see how it goes. Arrival of the Dragon Queen.
You can say that again.
Hey. Girl. What are you showing her?
Actually, I was showing this Olodo, what we had taught in class earlier today. I told her that it was A. She says D. You see, it's me. I'm queen of physics.
Oh, I'm going to reach you. You don't know anything.
Just because my brain, I've had enough for today. I'll be heading back to class.
Okay. Yeah,
All right,
no
see you
problem.
later.
No, babe. Think we'll go continue this from home.
All right.
What you done doing, girl? Yeah. Sorry, saying right. He always says it's your right. I think you want to do your parents when it's going with arrogance.
Okay, class. What is photosynthesis? As you can see on the board, that's the explanation. Is a process by which green plants manufacture their own food in the presence of sunlight, energy trapped by chlorophyll. I hope you understand. Yes. Well, for today, that brings us to the end of the class. See you next in my tomorrow class. Excuse me, Miss Ru. Oh, yes? Shola?
Hasn't the test might be finished?
I wouldn't know about that.
But you're the form teacher.
I am the form teacher. I am not the one marking. Once the marking and the ranking is over, they'll bring it to me. For now, concentrate on reading your books.
Excuse me. Matilda,
Yeah.
the guys from the SSA, they are not friendly at all. They are known for bullying.
So, what are you worried about?
They might come for us.
Till then.
Matilda,
Yes.
what will you be doing this weekend?
Reading my books, watching movies, and probably talk to my dad.
Talk to your dad. Where is he? I wonder why the test result is taking long.
Longer than usual?
Yes. It usually comes out a week after the test, but it's almost 2 weeks.
They're probably going over it again to make sure that the test result they get this time are really accurate.
How?
Don't be too curious.
Isn't that Ngozi?
Where?
There.
Why is she headed to the backyard?
She looks scared. Not just backyard, but the haunted classroom.
The haunted classroom?
Yes.
Let's go take a look.
No, Matilda! Matilda!
Hey, come here. Come here. I want to see the color of the bra you wore to school today.
Senior, please.
Which one be a senior, please? Show us.
As in, don't you understand English or what? I say I want to see the color of the bra
She
you're
won't
putting
do
on.
that.
Says who? You? The queen of our heart is here.
Ngozi, leave here. Bella, take her.
Matilda, what are you doing?
Sorry, Bella, but you and Ngozi need to leave now.
These guys are dangerous.
Just go.
Why are you stressing yourself? Someone asks you to go. Leave here.
Just go.
She wants to be with us alone. Just go.
So, now that we're alone, would you rather see the color of my own bra?
Oh my God. Come on, show us.
Jesus.
Who's slapping?
Why you slapping? You crazy?
Why you slapping?
You didn't mad, party boy. What's happening? You were slapped also.
Yes, now.
No, please. My friend, will you stop?
Finish it now.
Finish what? Wait, that girl is possessed. I must expose her in this school.
I hope you'll be doing the exposing things alone.
Cast me out too, because she said if God get us, we are doomed.
That's none of my business. All I know is that I am going to expose her in this school.
I'm in this school on scholarship, and I expect to finish with good grades because I need more scholarship to further on. Because I'm not as financially privileged like you guys are.
Really? Is it me you are rapping for? Here in this school scholarship program. Look at this idiot. Oh, you never knew you were in this school with scholarship when you were bullying all the whole students, with me.
I hope you are not trying to blackmail him into continuing in your revenge mission.
My friend, we are in this together. She's coming.
you okay? Are you okay? Are you hurt anywhere? Yes, I'm fine. But I don't know if the guy is Matilda, wait!
Give me that ball. Come on.
Fast! Now, what is it now? Let's play our ball now.
What is it now? Allow us to play our ball now.
If I hear this, you balance me.
Go down. Go down. You didn't find out from me, J-boy. You didn't find out from me. You know one goal. You know one goal. I don't know if I was shit. Oh yes, close your eyes and open your mouth.
Shabali!
J-boy,
How will I do that now? No, we can't do.
Shebi, again, walked out on you guys. You could not do anything. Leave me. Senior, leave me. Senior. Oh yeah, move. Make it fast. Make all of them begin to do a jump. Oh yeah, start now. Go down. Jump. Go down. Go down.
Silence! So you all are still making noise over the result of a completed brief. It seems you all have forgotten that this is an SS2 class. And your noise affects the whole school. I told you, didn't I? I told you that the right to the president's position of this school isn't monopolized. It's not owned by one person. Today has proven me right. Please clap for our Jerry. Keep it up. Anyways, if you're done celebrating for those who are celebrating, and mourning for those who may be mourning, let's get on with today's class.
Jason said you wanted to see me.
Yes, do you have any issue with Tunde and his group?
No, not really. Is there a problem?
Not really, but listen to me. No amount of his sweet talks, no matter the color it comes with, should you fall for him. Because I overheard them saying that you walked out on them and he promised to make sure you fall for him, then he's going to layer on you and dump you later.
Signorina, don't worry. He can't even come 5 meters close to me.
How do you mean?
Thank you for the information, but I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
It's okay if you say so. You girls can go back to your class. I'll see you later. Be good.
Guy, how far? The presidential position leaving your hand. I know you didn't see it coming.
Well, it wasn't a permanent position for me. I'm actually glad someone was intelligent and brilliant enough to, stand to my academic performance. You know why? I was already tired of being the school president. I needed time to focus on my studies.
Lame excuses. Just accept the fact that you lost to another person. A girl at that. You should be ashamed of yourself.
You are the one who is supposed to be hiding your face in shame. That someone who lived all her life in the United States with a different academic curriculum would outshine you. You're not even supposed to be in secondary school by now.
Please tell her. I think she doesn't understand what a shame it is.
And who invited you?
The conversation seemed to have concerned you.
Oh, you're not. As a matter of fact, your name was the center of the discussion.
So here I am. Please excuse me. Nonsense. So, what are you reading?
Just statistics. I don't think so.
So how was school, Matilda?
School was fine, Mom. Guess what?
You know I'm very bad at guessing.
Just take a wide guess. There's no harm in trying.
Take a wild guess. No idea.
Okay. So last 2 weeks, we took a test in class for the position of the class president. And I topped the class.
Oh my God. Sweetheart, are you serious?
Yes, Mom.
Wow. Does that now mean you are the class president?
Yes.
Oh my God, my baby. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Just a few weeks in school and you're already the class president. Oh, my baby. My baby, you're so intelligent. You know what? Just name anything you want and I'll buy it for you.
Anything. I want a laptop. Yes.
Only
Yes.
a laptop is yours and the best of it.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're doing very well. You're doing very well.
Matilda! 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 Answer me.
What kind of dream is that? Who is that woman? And what does she want from me?
Matilda!
What?
What were you doing?
What was I doing? I don't understand.
Yes, what were you doing?
I've been sitting here waiting for breakfast and my mom. What was I doing? What are you thinking about?
Just forget it. Take. Have your breakfast. As for your mom, she went to have a meeting with her client and she will be eating there. She tenders her apology.
She works Saturdays too. She could have at least had breakfast with me before leaving.
Hello, Saturdays are your sleep-ins. You don't expect us to wake you up. Besides, if she had eaten here, what do you expect her to do while her client is having breakfast?
Drinking water, of course.
Yeah, you're right. Please just eat your food. I'll be in the laundry. If you have any clothes, bring them now. If you don't bring them now, you'll have to wait till next weekend or you wash them yourself.
Why are you sounding so nervous? What is it?
Come with me, I want to show you something.
Where?
The haunted classroom.
Haunted class?
Watch this.
Matilda! What was that?
I'm sorry, but for now, let's get back to class. Okay. I think that brings us to the end of the class today. Class president, collect the assignment I gave you to this and bring it to me. Okay. Meanwhile, Bella, you look so distant in class today. Is there any problem?
No, Miss Ruth, I'm fine.
It's alright. That'll be all for now. See you in my next class. Hey guys, submit your assignment.
She is extraordinary. Her spirit is woven. She has powers. Oh, her spirit is coming. She has power.
Bella, I need you to tell me about the haunted class.
Matilda, what do you want to know about the haunted class?
Everything, Bella. Everything there is to know about the haunted class. Like, why is it called the haunted class?
Haunted class. What about the haunted class?
Matilda wants to know about the haunted class.
Okay. That's not a bad idea. I mean, who wouldn't want to know about the haunted class?
Okay, Matilda, I will tell you about the haunted class. About 2 years ago.
Bella, come in.
Good morning, Miss Annie.
And what is good about this morning? What is going on, Bella? Why haven't you paid your fee? Or don't you want to write this coming examination?
I want to write, ma'am. But my parents are going through hard time.
Can you tell me that in details?
I don't really know the full details. I'm afraid I might drop out of school.
God forbid. Not while I'm still the owner of this school. Listen, Bella, you're one of the brightest students here. We can't lose you for anything. Please, you know what? I would like to meet with your parents.
Okay, ma'am.
You may now return to your class. I don't understand. I just told you that a lady called and was threatening me, and this is all you could say? Benga, hello? Hello?
Good morning. You sent for me?
Yes, I did. Bella, you see, like I said earlier, you're one of the brightest students. So I've paid the fee. What I want you to do is to study hard and come out with good grades.
Thank you very much, ma. Thank you, ma.
It's okay. God bless you. It's okay.
Thank you, ma.
It's fine. Listen, the only appreciation I want from you is just to come out in flying colors.
I will, I promise. Thank you, ma. I'm very grateful.
It's okay.
Look how well, watch her.
But I'm yet to understand how this happened. So you mean none of you were in the class to notice this unusual activity?
So you mean to say the former proprietress committed suicide in that class?
We didn't really know the full story, but rumor had it that she caught her husband with another woman while she was busy running this school and the other one on the mainland. She was working to keep the family running too. The husband, who is also a CEO to a very big real estate company, who had little or no work to do, had time to cheat on her. When she found out about it, she was devastated because of her hard work and commitment to the family. That was when she committed suicide in that class.
But why the school, in the class, and not her office?
Well, some say she wanted people to see her bitterness, while others say the school was more like her home. She was such a sweet woman. Everyone loved her. Everyone.
Yes, everyone loved her.
But my problem is, why that class? Why?
I guess she wanted to die facing her children.
And when you say children, you mean?
Exactly. Jason and Belinda.
Her death broke Jason. He even suffered a PTSD and was flown abroad by his father's sister.
God. So that explains why his twin sister is one class ahead of you.
Yes.
That's terrible. I've been thinking.
About what?
About the story you told me about the former proprietress.
What about it?
Something just doesn't add up.
What exactly are you talking about?
Tell me something. If the former proprietress is Jason's mother, then who is the present one?
Good afternoon. 2 months after the death of the former one, she resumed office.
6 months later, she became their stepmother.
Is someone thinking about what I'm thinking? Bella, Do you remember the phone call she was making in her office when she was speaking to her husband?
That someone was threatening her life.
You are so right. Few days later, she was found dead with a suicide note.
What? We have an assignment.
An assignment?
Yes, an assignment.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, Ella. How are you?
Fine, ma.
Is breakfast ready? What are we having?
Ma, first, I want to tell you something.
Okay, go on.
Ma, it's about Matilda. I think there's something wrong with her.
Huh?
Yes. Ma, she's acting very weird. Like someone who is possessed by an evil spirit.
Is again?
Yes, ma.
What are you saying, Ella?
Ma, you know I can't lie to you. Let me tell you. The first day, she got angry at me. She yelled. And the cup filled with water shattered.
Huh?
Ma, another day, we were just sitting there in the parlor watching TV. And all of a sudden, she started switching the TV on and off. I looked at her and she just smiled and walked away. Ma, another day, let me tell you what...
It's enough, alright? It's enough. Just go and make the breakfast.
I'm sorry, ma.
Are you saying my daughter is possessed?
Ma, I can go and set the table.
Please, and bring me the shoe, the blue shoe that is too much with this my bag. I want to wear it to work. Okay. Thank you. Okay, Ella. What is she saying? Matilda, is she possessed? Nah. But would Ella be lying?
Mom, what is it? You've not eaten, you've barely touched your food.
It's okay, darling. Don't worry, it's just some work stuff, alright?
Okay, Mom. Mom, you said you know the city proprietress, Miss Edwards.
Yes, I know. Did she do anything?
No, nothing. I'll tell you later.
Are you sure everything is fine?
Yeah, everything is fine. She didn't do anything. Let's just eat.
T-boy, I hope you have died the idea of saying things about Matilda.
Listen, let me tell you. That I am silent doesn't mean that I am stupid. I'm just looking for a perfect time to strike.
That might not be a good idea. What will you say? What proof do you have to back up your claim?
Or are you just going to gather the whole student and say to them, hey people, Matilda is a witch. She's possessed. How does it make sense to you?
That is what I'm still saying here. That I am quiet does not mean that I am stupid. Tunde is not stupid. Yes, I need to have a stronger proof to hold on to so I can strike. And I need you guys to help me.
How?
Just come. Let's go. Once I come to that way, I'll be gone.
Oh, hi Matilda.
Don't you want to go out for lunch?
Why the sudden gesture?
Oh, you know I'm not a bad person.
I never said you're a bad person.
Then what for me? Let's go grab snacks.
How about your friends?
They're going out for lunch. I told them I wasn't hungry because I didn't want to go with them.
Okay, so what if I refuse?
I won't force you then.
Fine. Let's go.
She's not ordinary human being. Her spirit is walking. Look how well.
So, tell me, why do you like being alone?
Nothing. I just like to be alone.
I think there must be a reason. I don't think anybody chooses to be like this.
Well, everyone must not be an extrovert.
Okay, if you say so.
Can we go back in?
Wow, so soon? Well, lunch break isn't over yet.
It's just that I'm not comfortable standing out here.
You're not comfortable standing over here. So much for an introvert.
She's not ordinary human being.
Why are personal things broken?
What did you guys talk about?
Just the basics for now. Though it may be difficult to break him because he's as cold as ice.
Meaning?
He has shut everyone out. He's an introvert. And I don't think I'll be able to break through him to get what I want.
Girl, use your feminine magic. You can do it if you set your mind to it.
Yes, you can. Moreover, you are beautiful and charming.
Very beautiful. I have to do my best. I'll do my best.
Have.
What are you guys doing?
I was asking her about personal saving. She's saying she don't know.
She has her book in front of her. She should check. Hey,
Hi, Matilda.
I didn't see the proprietress in school today, so who's taking you home?
Oh, she doesn't take us home. We have our driver.
Oh, okay. So where do you stay?
New Era Estate.
Wow, that's close to my estate. We stay at Villa Maria.
Oh, okay. Shall we?
Sure. So, do you mind if I do this? My mom thought I should be able to. Don't worry, I'll talk to your sister.
You do not have to talk to her. You can join us.
Oh, thank you.
Her spirit is coming. Now she's a ghost. Her spirit is walking. Her soul is not in peace. Her spirit is
Matilda, you are one special girl that has broken through my brother.
We're classmates, so it's natural.
But you're not the only classmate.
Oida, can you hold it there?
Do you want to show yourself?
How am I showing myself?
Senior Inda, it wasn't easy getting him to let me ride home with you. In fact, I don't think anyone would have accepted easily, considering that I just joined the school.
Please tell how.
Tell her what? Let's go. I know you like her in a special way.
Just shut up.
Hey! I know you like her, so stop pretending.
Can you keep quiet?
Good afternoon, small madam. Good afternoon, small
That.
I am your favorite chief. I am proud to announce to you that your lunch is ready. Today's menu, I have proudly prepared for you. Okohofa, spiced with fresh palm oil all the way from Eko, so that your skin will continue to glitter. So please, sir, can I serve you now?
No, I need food. I don't want to eat now.
Yeah.
I'll have my lunch in my room.
That wish is my commandment. Madam, if you eat too much food, you will lose weight.
Thank you. Just go.
Hey, Destiny is in love!
Winga, can't you knock before entering my room?
I didn't know I'm going to knock before entering my brother's room.
Okay. I will try entering your room without knocking.
Eh? Don't even think of it, don't. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. I'm here to tell you that Meme is going for general shopping. Do you want anything?
You guys can get what you want. If I need anything, I'll get it myself.
Just thank your star. Thank your stars that you are my twin brother. If not,
She's one.
She's not ordinary human being. Her spirit is working. Look her well. Watch her.
Who are you? No! No, please, wait! Please! Please, wait. Please. Who are you? Who is this woman? What does she want from me again? What does she want to tell me?
But she chose to say her loved ones ghost. I am mama. Yeah, go. I am mama. Yeah, go.
Antonio. Yes, Mom. Is there anything you would like to tell me?
Like what?
Like maybe there's anything disturbing you.
Disturbing me? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
It's okay, nothing. Just finish your food, alright?
Okay, I think I'm done. Let's go.
Alright. Ella! We are going. Please clear the table.
But she chose to say her loved ones ghost. I am mama. Yeah, go.
Mom, are you fine? Mom, mommy. Hello? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Are you okay? think you should just rest.
So, I have to go to the office. It's a very important meeting. So I need to leave.
Sorry, Mom, but it's past 12 p.m. You can't go out.
Past 12?
Yes.
How long have I been sleeping?
We are sleeping for 7 hours.
I hope it's nothing serious.
I hope so too. Well, she said they're at home, so I believe it's nothing serious.
That doesn't guarantee that. She could get the doctor to come home, you know?
You're right. You're very right.
Hi Bella.
Hi.
Hi Ngozi.
Hi.
Matilda is not in school today.
No. Why not call her?
I do not have her number.
Let me have your phone.
She's not ordinary human being. Her spirit is walking on the earth. Look her well. Watch her. Her spirit is coming. She is a ghost in human form. Her spirit is walking on the earth. If you open your eyes, you will see. Her spirit is coming. She is extraordinary.
What? What's she doing? Oyinbe, what was she doing? No, don't tell me you are friends with her.
None of your business.
None of my business. Just be careful, though.
Can anyone be worse than you are?
Will I say bomb day your head? What's the meaning of that? I see this model. This is only your papa get money. Turn up, you buy slap in your street.
Yeah, hey. I don't understand. This one, why will you be telling us to come here? Huh? No, wait, wait, this one. You guys.
T-boy. T-boy. So you and your fellow students cannot elucidate in clear terms what transpired in that show of shame.
You don't want to speak up. So you don't want to talk. Because I know one of these groups, one of your groups started this fight first.
You're right. You see them? When you see them around the sports arena, they run like breastfeeding mothers. But outside the arena, they'll become bullies, beasts, and begin to intimidate people.
Mind them.
What arrant nonsense?
Mr. Lawait, how do breastfeeding mothers run?
Carefully. Why? And then why? Okay. But see all of you? Since you think you've got the strength to fight, I will convert that strength into good use. Believe me. Or all of you go on your knees. Go on your knees before I flog you.
Won't you go on your knees? Sit down.
That one that looks like a bird. Okay. Your hands. Open your hands, all of you.
Are you not tired of eating?
I thought I'm the only one that likes to eat.
Oh, darling. Anyway, I've not seen your girlfriend in school. I hope she's fine.
I thought she's your friend too.
What? Why do you like beating someone up with this your bad attitude? Sometimes I wonder if you're my twin brother.
I want the same too.
Amen! Amen! Amen!
Her loved ones, ghost. Hey, your mama. Your go. Hey, your mama. Yeah. Your go. Hey, your mama. Your go. Hey, your mama. Yeah. Your go.
Hello Matilda, how are you? Very well. I noticed you were not in school. Sorry to hear that. How is she now? Okay, please say me well to her. Bye.
So you guys have just told me, eh? What about our plan to expose that evil?
You drafted the plan, so you put it in action. I hope it will not backfire on us.
This one talking about backfiring here. One day, if it backfires on us, then we all go down. So we must not let it backfire on us.
We go down.
Will I go down alone? The three of us will go down. So think about it.
No, what will do?
What are you doing? Why are you changing the channel? Can't you see I'm seeing a movie?
I want to watch news.
So, because you want to listen to news, I shouldn't be watching my movie.
You have been here since morning, seeing a movie. How long is it going to take me to watch the news?
If Mom was there, will you be doing this? Huh?
Did you have to bring her up?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for what happened earlier. I didn't mean to bring her up.
I miss her. I know you said what you said because you missed her too.
Yes.
Do you think she missed us?
She does.
Or not?
Why did you say so?
Because she left us.
You're right.
Amen.
Small mother. This sounds like my father's favorite. Is my dad coming home soon?
I don't know about that, but madam called me and asked me to get all this item and prepare. So
that means my dad is coming.
Don't know. Guess what?
What?
I bought some ice cream. It's chilling in the cold room, in the freezer.
Ice cream?
Yes.
Thank you. Let me have some.
And he said, come, please. before you go and take overdose, make sure you have sellotape to sellotape your bum. I don't want to hear him come and flash the toilet. So you are shaking your bum, but you are rushing to get some. Don't give yourself overdose. So. You want to take ice cream? Amen. Come and flush it.
Ella. Ella. Ella.
Ma. Yes, ma'am.
Since when did you notice there's something wrong with my daughter?
Ma, it's been a while now.
But why didn't you tell me?
Ma, I just didn't know how to tell you. I mean, I was scared of the outcome of your reaction.
It's okay. Go. Just what exactly, God, what am I supposed to do? What can I do?
Do you think Matilda has something about her she's not telling us?
I don't know. Something like what?
I don't know. Maybe anything. What do you think she did to Tunde and his friends?
I don't really know.
Bella and Ngozi. Today is day 2 and your friend, the class president, is not in the school.
This is how she's late to work. Maybe she did what she did just to disrupt the class.
Really, but just shut up and get out of here.
And please ask her that yourself. Leave.
Thank you. Sorry.
What nonsense.
It's the gods for me.
It's the gods, really.
So, I don't really know what to do.
I really do wish Matilda is here. I miss her so much.
I miss her too. It's just a day, but it seems like a week.
Bella, I'm just coming from the class. I couldn't find the class president, your friend, and she's not here with you. Where could she be?
Miss Ruth, it's since yesterday. She has not been in school. It's because you didn't have a class with us. That's why you didn't notice.
Yes, ma. I'm sorry about that. Her mother collapsed while leaving for work yesterday, and she couldn't come to school. And I guess she hasn't recovered. That's why she's not in school. I am really sorry. It's my fault. I would have written to the school on her behalf.
That's no problem. Just write a letter for documentation.
Yes, ma'am.
She's such a nice woman.
Yes. A nice woman and a nice teacher.
Yes, you're right.
Jess, why are you sleeping?
Nothing. I'm fine. What are you doing here?
I came to see my brother. Is that a bad thing?
Madam, state your mission. You couldn't have come here just to check on me.
What about the girls?
Am I their keeper?
Can you be a little nice? Huh? I'm not here to quarrel with you. Anyway, what about Matilda?
Absent.
Why?
I don't know.
Why don't you know?
Oyin, I said I do not know. Why are you disturbing me? Can you just go to your class?
Fine. Sit down here and sleep.
Just go. Busybody.
This caterer, she doesn't know what she's doing anymore. The taste of her food keeps depreciating every day.
Do you think it's easy to cook?
That's not what I'm saying.
Then what? Good afternoon, Senior.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Where is Matilda?
She hasn't been in school since yesterday.
Why?
Her mother is sick.
Oh, I hope she's getting better.
Yes.
And where are you girls coming from?
From the canteen.
I can see. Go inside and read your books.
Thanks.
All right.
T-Boy, that girl has not been in school since yesterday.
It's obvious she's avoiding us.
You know it's not possible. Meaning she can't avoid us.
Whatever.
Oh, yeah. So much. I need that.
Hey. Come here. I'm talking to you.
What is it? And why are you obstructing us?
Where is your friend?
Why not ask the teachers? I believe she wrote a letter notifying the school.
Yes! Mind your business or you go collect.
And who is talking?
Guy, why not just leave this case? You're mad. You're mad. Have you ever made sense? All your life, now. T-Boy, just leave.
Hello, Daddy. Daddy, I'm fine. Really? I can't wait to see you. Alright, Daddy. Bye-bye. Love you.
Sweetheart, I'm so happy to have you back.
Same here.
Baby, I hope you'll be staying long this time at home.
I'll be around at least 2 weeks.
Just 2 weeks.
Daddy! Hey, you're welcome, sir. Thank you.
Daddy, welcome.
How was your trip?
Fine. So, how have you been?
Fine, sir.
Welcome back.
Good to have you back.
How was it? Fine.
Thank you,
Sir. How are you?
Hello everyone. I am proud to announce to you that I am the chief of this house. I have prepared your food. On today's menu, I am proud to tell you that I have prepared for you chicken peri-peri, spiced with turmeric, onion, and even pepper. Then as for water, I have served you different categories. You can make your choice. Winter temperature, summer temperature, even room temperature.
You know what? It's okay. You can go.
Okay. Yeah. So I beg to take my leave while you follow me to the dining table. Thank you.
Shall we go for
She's a comedian.
You have to say temperature.
Oh, Remy, are you set?
I'm set. I was just tidying up.
Should we go for ice cream before going?
Sounds like a good idea. I have something I want to tell you.
Wow. Okay, it's all while going. Make sure you're not forgetting anything.
Okay.
You're not telling me the truth, right? Just tell me you are pulling my legs.
I wish I were Viola. I don't even know what to call it.
You know, It's only in foreign movies that we see this kind of thing. What can we possibly call it?
I don't know. I am so confused and so scared at the same time.
You have to calm down, okay? I believe we will sort it out with time.
Right?
Yes. But first of all, we need to talk to her and know how to settle it.
Okay. Hey, but let me ask you something, Viola. Why is it that every time we leave the office to come to this particular place, you must stop over at your house and change your dress? Why? Are you trying to seduce anybody around here? What?
Oh, Remy. You want to know everything, right?
Hey, tell me.
Now come let me tell you.
Baddest.
You understand? Oh, you did that.
Girl.
He came back today and I'm so angry.
Why?
My mom died because of him.
How?
He cheated on her and she committed suicide.
Suicide? Are you sure of what you say?
How do you mean?
Do you really believe your mom committed suicide because of your dad's cheating?
Yes. She wrote a letter saying she's sorry she could not fight for her marriage because of our sake.
What if she was murdered?
Murdered? By who?
Think about it. I have to go now. My mom is calling for dinner. I'll call you some other time. Have a nice day.
Where is he?
Daddy is upstairs. Justin, hurry up, we are late.
Why is your face like that? Is there any problem? Your sister said you didn't eat any food. Why?
Nothing. I'm fine.
And it's okay. You have to hurry up and go to school. You know you shouldn't be late to school.
Why? I'm no longer the proprietor's son.
Jason.
It's okay. Leave me.
Apologize to her.
Do I really have to do that?
Just say.
Excuse me.
What's wrong with him? Has this been going on in this house?
No, Daddy. Daddy, I'm sorry. I'll talk to you. Please. Bye-bye.
It's okay. Don't worry. Justin. I know you're still angry with Daddy. But are you going to keep on doing this?
What if Mom was murdered?
Justin.
Her spirit is coming out. Her spirit is walking on the earth. Her spirit is coming out. Her spirit is walking.
You are still awake. Do you want something?
No. My brother just picked up. I was sleeping. I came down to drink water.
Well, I am still here. You know your father said they are going to eat nkari for breakfast. So I decided to keep everything in place so that by tomorrow morning it will be easier for me to arrange things very quick.
Amen. How long have you been with my parents?
been living with Yapiri since I was 9 years old.
9? Who will make a 9 years old a maid?
Funny enough, I wasn't a maid. In fact, your mother was my godmother. I started living with her when I lost my mother. My father got married to another wife. His new wife won American lottery. And so she decided to put only my father's name and her children. She did not include my name.
It's not true.
I am telling you nothing but the truth. So my dad found that lame and decided I should live with your mother. That is why I am here.
So, what about your father? He hasn't come for you since then. It's been long.
He died. My father died. Although he tried to.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Ifaniba.
Amen. I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Do you think my mother was capable of taking her own life?
Abasi, why are you asking me all these strange questions?
I'm just wondering.
Your mother. Your mother, oh dear. Your mother. Your mother was a good woman. Your mother was a good woman.
It's okay.
Let me cry in grandma.
What has come over this silly boy again? I thought we have gone past this crisis stage. Has this woman decided to haunt me with her son? No, she can't. It's not possible. She is dead and gone. Yes.
She is a ghost in human form. If you open your eyes, you will see. Her spirit is coming. She is extraordinary. Her spirit is walking on the earth. She has powers. Oh, her spirit is coming. She has power. Power to destroy. Her spirit is walking on the earth. She is a ghost. Her spirit is coming. But she chose to save her loved ones. Ghost. Hey, I am mama. Hey, yeah, go. Hey, I am mama. Yeah. Hey, yeah, go. Hey, I am mama. Hey, yeah, go. Hey, I am mama. Yeah. Hey, yeah, go. I see it is coming. But she
Jesse, what are you doing? Dad has warned you not to keep mommy's portrait here again.
For what reason? It's mom's house. We have every right. I have every right to hang her portrait when I deem fit. I am her one and only son.
Who brought out this frame?
What frame?
Over there.
Jason, who hung that frame?
I'm the one.
Why?
It's mom's house. It's supposed to be there.
Jesse, you, I will give you what you're looking for in this house. Honey, don't go too far. Wait for me. I will deal with you in this house. Let's go.
Have you seen? You shouldn't have.
Just shut up.
Her spirit is coming out. Her spirit is walking on the earth. Her spirit is coming out. She's not ordinary human being now.
Jesus, why I don't stay home in your absence? Your children frustrate me so much, especially Jason. I have tried to end your love, but still no.
It's okay, honey.
Please want to have my peace.
I will talk to them.
Not only talking to them, I have told you to send these kids abroad so that I will have my peace.
I will not send them abroad because of you. People will point fingers at you. People will call you names. All you have to do is exercise a little more patience. It's one of those juvenile delinquents that kids exhibit when they are growing up. They will overcome that.
Overcome? When? When exactly? Sweetie, I'm tired.
Come on, let's go somewhere nice and quiet. Talk about this.
I'm tired of all things. I'm tired. I need my peace.
Shut up.
Hey, mama. Hey, mama.
Matilda.
I miss you so much. How is the mom?
She's better now.
Welcome back.
Oh, thank you.
I missed you so much.
Okay.
All right, girl. The class was so boring without you.
Not just the class, but the school.
Oh, I missed you girls too.
I miss you. You didn't really miss much.
Except for those buffaloes that asking after you.
Buffaloes indeed.
I wrote the school about your absence on your behalf.
Oh, thank you so much. You are such a good friend. Thank you. So, remember I told you girls we have a mission?
Yes.
So we move in a few days.
Sure. I'm for it, friend.
Sweetheart. Sweetheart, I was thinking.
Thinking about what?
I think we should send the children abroad for a summer holiday.
Are we back on this topic again?
Oh, come on. I mean no harm. The children need to change environment. So that they can get their minds off some few things. I feel Jesse has been going through a lot. And you know it's exactly this period he lost his mother. So they need a change of environment.
You may be right.
Her spirit is coming. He's a ghost. Her spirit is coming. But she chose to save her loved ones.
All hail Madam. I announce the presence of the chief chef of this house. Permission to follow you.
Amy, what is it? There is fire on the mountain. And you have to run. Madam, I have to eat them. It's not right over there. Then can you say it? What is it? Madam, can you believe that small local, yes, have decided to tell your father to go and revisit the investigation case of your late mother? That means your mother's spirit will not be resting in peace. Yes, the spirit will be roaming about. she will be called a restless spirit.
What?
I just threw in the bomb.
Good. That's very good.
But honestly, tell me, why did you ask me to do that?
Don't worry, you'll find out soon.
Jessie!
Hi, Senior Yinda.
Matilda, what game are you and my brother playing with my late mother's memory?
Just calm down. You'll find out soon. Next is, tell your parents you're inviting a friend over for lunch this weekend.
That's not happening.
Don't worry, you won't regret this.
What did she say?
Her spirit is coming. She is extraordinary. Her spirit is working. She has power.
Hi, Senior. You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine, man. Come inside, man.
Thank you.
Welcome. Come in. Daddy, they are here.
Hi, Jason.
Hi, Matilda.
Good day, sir.
Hello.
Good day, Miss Edwards.
Good day, ma.
Hello, how are you? Good day. Oh, Frances.
Hi. Welcome, children.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Seems you know my wife.
Yes, we used to work at the same bank before I traveled to the US.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
That's awesome. Please, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Thank you very
What
much.
can I offer?
Stop!
Stop it.
Can you stop the music?
Why? Your family doesn't like the song? Or is it because Miss Angela liked it?
How did you know that?
Obinaya.
How do you know that name? Only my wife does.
Ex-wife.
Only my late wife and I call him by that name. And of course, his twin sister.
Nenaya Onyedamilola Janelle.
Stop this rubbish right now!
Do you have something to tell us?
Matilda, this joke is quite expensive.
Who are you and what are you doing here?
I want you to leave this house. Leave Jibola and disappear. You can't leave the kids. I love them so much, I will take good care of them.
And what the hell are you talking about?
It simply means divorce Jibola and go far away. I mean far away where no one will ever see you. You have grown-up kids already for him. And you have enjoyed him enough. So it is my turn. Please, why doing this? Do not stress me. And do the right.
Will you get your dirty body out of my house now before I call the police?
The police. Now listen and listen very good. The next time I will visit, it won't be this free.
Get out.
Tell your security man by the gate.
cameras and come to your place. Else, you will carry their cross.
But school has dismissed. I mean, are they still there?
They just arrived the students. How fast you are will determine if they will enter the school or not.
Okay. Yes, hello, Miss Sabala. Please go down the fast food down the street and buy me food. Yes, the fast food. Yes. Hello. I've done that.
I'm coming. Yes, for me.
Angela, or whatever your name is. What have you done with my daughter's body?
Your daughter is fine. I live in her. I have been living in her for the past few months. And she has been enjoying it. The little magics.
So, you killed my wife?
Don't even dare come close. Call the police. She has some confessions to make.
If you dare call the police, Jibolo dies before they get in here.
Wait. So you entered my daughter's body that day at the school?
Somebody saw me at last.
Don't even dare me. Don't try anything stupid. Don't even try it.
Okay, don't worry. I have already called the police.
You're supposed to be in the market.
Okay, you are very right. I was supposed to be in the market, but I forgot my list. So I decided to come back home and pick it. Okay, on reaching the house, everywhere was quiet. As I entered, I overheard them talking. So the spirit now said, "Oh, amen. Oh, amen. My daughter called the police. Call the police." Okay, so I called the police.
So don't even try me. Don't even come closer. Don't even try it.
You are a psychopath. You made a woman like you write a suicidal note, block all roads that leads to investigation, and finally you killed her. I bet you never knew not all human are vulnerable. Some are angels living among us. When life is forcefully taken from them, they just don't take it. You will rot in jail. And I promise you, you beg for death. Death will not come. Officers, come and take her to cell 214. Nonsense.
She's a ghost, skinny cool looking. Her spirit is working. Her soul is not in